And ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern is here to tell us that one major index closes at an all-time high today. Richard.
That's right. And the market overall was very, very strong all day. The high of the day was plus 95 points, the low only minus 16. And frankly, we spent almost the entire day with very, very solid gains. The index that Haley is referring to is the NASDAQ, which certainly has a lot of technology stocks. And of course, we're almost at the end of the first quarter. The last day of the trading for the quarter is tomorrow. And there's lots of buying across the board at the end of the quarter for what we call window dressing for money managers and mutual funds. So let's take a look at the window dressing and see how it looks. There you see the Dow up 69 points, exactly 1/3 of 1% at 20,728.49. That on volume of 644 million shares. Drum roll for the NASDAQ, up 28/100ths, but that's a record, up almost 17 points at 5,914.34. That on volume of 1,507 million shares. And the S&P up almost exactly the same percentage as the other two, up 7 points for the day at 2,368.06. Well, perhaps many of you remember Clara Peller, who said for Wendy's, "Where's the beef?" Well, believe it or not, starting soon, the beef is going to be at McDonald's. Fresh beef. McDonald's today said that beginning middle of next year, it will have fresh beef for all of its quarter pounders. Up until now, the beef has been in patties that were frozen. But beginning next year, in fact, they will be fresh and grilled to order. McDonald's thinks certainly this is very important for their image and certainly the customers who are coming in to order quarter pounders. The reason it's a big deal is because it's the first time McDonald's has committed to this kind of position with beef. The only exceptions will be in Alaska, in Hawaii, and certain airports where it's going to be a problem to get fresh beef deliveries. But other than that, McDonald's going out, and ironically, it's Wendy's they're really going after because they advertise all the time that their beef is fresh.
They do.
And their competitors is frozen.
Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And you also have some news on a couple of big companies named Amazon and Apple.
And the reason the NASDAQ keeps closing at these record numbers is, guess what? Amazon and Apple, every single day these stocks are closing at or near all-time highs, and they're bringing the rest of the stocks right along with them. So congratulations if you own either or both of those two stocks.
All right, Richard, thank you so much for the update.
You're welcome.